In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to freeze a column in Notion so your most important information stays visible while you scroll. If you're working with large databases, trackers, or project boards, this small feature can make a massive difference in your workflow and productivity. Freezing columns is perfect for things like task names, client names, or IDs that you always want on screen. We'll walk through this step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to do it confidently in just a few clicks. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're inside the Notion workspace where your database lives. This feature works specifically inside database views, like table views. Go ahead and open the page that contains the database where you want to freeze a column. Once the database loads, make sure you're using a table view because freezing columns is only available in table-style databases. If you're in a different view, like board or gallery, you can switch views from the top left of the database. Now that your table is open, take a moment to scroll horizontally. This will help you notice why freezing a column is useful, especially if you have lots of properties and the left side disappears as you scroll. Next, locate the column, also known as a property, that you want to freeze. This is usually the first column, like a name or title column, but it can be any column in your database. Hover your mouse over the column header at the top. You'll see a small drop-down arrow or menu icon appear. Go ahead and click on that property menu. This opens the settings for that specific column. Inside this menu, you'll see several options related to how the property behaves and displays. Look through the list until you find the option called Freeze. This is the key setting we're looking for. Once you click on Freeze, Notion will immediately lock that column in place. Now when you scroll horizontally across your database, that column will stay visible on the left side of the screen. This makes it much easier to keep track of which row you're working on, especially in complex databases with many columns. You can repeat this same process for additional columns if needed, depending on your workspace and screen size. If you ever want to unfreeze a column, just click the same property menu again and toggle off the freeze option. That's all there is to it. You've successfully frozen a column in Notion and made your database easier to navigate and manage. If this tutorial saved you time, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple, practical Notion guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.